In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best cordless brad nailers available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the cordless brad nailers mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Cordless Electric Nail Gun, Pure Copper Motor. This framing nail gun is designed for straight nails and delivers high efficiency with its pure copper motor. It features WEE certification, ensuring safety and environmental compliance. The dry fire lockout prevents accidental misfires, making it a reliable tool for professionals and DIYers. Its excellent battery life supports long hours of operation without frequent recharging. Lightweight and user-friendly, this cordless nail gun enhances woodworking precision while offering exceptional value at a discounted price. Number 4, ONEKFYFD Cordless Electric Nail Gun Stapler, ideal for home DIY wood inlaying and furniture making. This cordless nail gun offers stability with its high-strength hex fixing screw. Its aerodynamic layout design enhances power, while the user-friendly handle minimizes fatigue during extended use. The durable magazine, made from hard oxidized materials, ensures longevity. Whether for crafting or home renovation, this tool delivers reliability and ease of use. With a significant discount, it's an excellent addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 3, PATUOPRO Brushless Electric Nail Gun F30G. This brushless electric nail gun is perfect for DIY and craft jobs, offering a wide range of applications. Equipped with a safety protection device, it ensures secure operation. The fast continuous nailing speed enhances efficiency, while its compatibility with Makita 18V batteries adds convenience. Designed for both beginners and professionals, this nail gun allows seamless and precise nailing, reducing manual effort. Durable, powerful, and compact, it's an essential tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Number 2, Cordless 2-in-1 Nailer/Stapler Gun with 500 nails, designed for DIY and professional projects. This 2-in-1 Nailer/Stapler gun provides exceptional durability and versatility. With a high-capacity battery supporting 1,200 nails per full charge, it is built for continuous operation. The customizable design lets users choose between a full kit or just the body. Its rapid nailing speed, 60 nails per minute in single mode and 100 in continuous mode, ensures high productivity. Sturdy and efficient, this tool is perfect for home renovations and commercial use. Number 1, WORKPRO 6-in-1 Cordless Staple Gun for DIY projects. This versatile 6-in-1 cordless staple gun is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and home decorators. Designed with an ergonomic, non-slip rubber handle, it ensures comfort during extended use. The long-lasting battery delivers 1,100 shots per charge with a quick 2-hour recharge time. With a firing rate of 60 rounds per minute, it's ideal for home improvement, upholstery, and crafts. Lightweight, efficient, and easy to operate, this staple gun makes nailing and stapling tasks effortless and precise.